Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change iPhone voicemail greeting. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. These instructions are intended for iPhones running iOS 10 and later utilizing the pre-installed phone app. If you happen to use a different calling app, such as Google Voice, the underlying principles remain the same, although the steps might vary. Here's a step-by-step to do this. Step 1. Launch the phone app on your iPhone. Step 2. Navigate to the voicemail section. Step 3. Tap on Greeting. Step 4. If you've never changed your voicemail greeting, the default option will be selected. Tap on Custom. Step 5. If you already have a custom message and are making alterations, the custom option will be selected. You can't proceed to the next step without making changes. Step 6. Tap on Record and articulate the voicemail greeting you desire. Step 7. Once you've finished recording, tap on Stop. Step 8. To review the message, tap on Play. Step 9. If you're satisfied with the greeting and wish to use it, tap on Save. Step 10. To listen to the message again or confirm your choice, tap on Play. Step 11. If you still like the greeting and want to set it as your voicemail message, tap on Save. By following these steps, you can effectively customize your voicemail greeting on your iPhone, allowing you to create a personalized message that suits your preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.